Hi everyone who watching this video. I'm in here to introduce you my new video, part 2 of Colorado family ski trip. Part 2 will not be so epic as the first one, but there was a bunch of video and then shots that I did not add to the first one, so I want to add to the second one. And it's made from just chilling and enjoying this video. I add couple soundtracks and then video correction and other stuff, so just enjoy the video.
Tried the 180, didn't quite get it. That's close. Got it, Nick. Hope I got that on camera. Oh, he just accepted his fate. Is that your back showing?
What?
Is your back showing?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Why? Keaton's at the bottom. Ooh, Nick down.
Oh, Nick, stop that! Stop that!
It's okay, he's our brother, we'll hit him. Oh no!
What happened, Chloe?
You're right. We'll meet him down there. Dang it.